Open the diagnostic kit. The diagnostic kit includes the instructions, sample diluent, pipette, and test card. Tear the aluminum foil package of the reagent card. Take out the detection card and place it on the operating table. Choose a finger to collect blood from and disinfect it with disposable cotton balls soaked in medical alcohol. Prick the finger with the needle. Draw blood through a pipette and add it to the test holes of the reagent cards. It is recommended to wipe off the first drop of blood with a cotton ball to avoid coagulation. Add 2 drops of sample diluent to the test holes of the reagent card respectively. Wait 15 minutes for the results to appear. Results of demonstration: negative results, positive results.